The last four tools that we will cover are the clone stamp, blur, smudge, and dodge tool. The first tool is the clone stamp tool. If you look in the button window, you'll see that it looks like a rubber stamp. This tool is used to copy images not only in the window you're working at, but in other pictures. Click this clone stamp tool, and then whichever image you want to copy, for this demonstration we'll copy this turtle, first hold the Alt button on your keyboard and then click the left mouse button. Now you've selected the point of origin. Simply go anywhere in the picture that you like, and you can begin holding the left mouse button and sweeping it back and forth, or left and right, to begin creating a copy of the image. Notice the crosshair on the original image showing you where exactly you're copying. This can also be done simultaneously on other pictures. Even though it doesn't fit, it is still interesting to see how this tool works. The next tool after this is the blur tool. The blur tool, and we'll actually open up another image to show you how it works, is a tool that is used to blur out website names and copyright information in pictures. Notice in this picture that there is a website name on the bottom. I don't want to show this website name, so I'm going to select the blur tool. The blur tool looks like a water drop. Click the blur tool to begin. Just like a brush, you can change the size of the blur tool. 36 looks good. All you have to do is click the left mouse button and sweep it left and right, or up and down, whatever you need to do, over and over until you're completely satisfied with how blurred out the caption is. Now you see an image without really paying attention to the website name in the bottom. Let's go back to our picture. After the blur tool, we're going to cover the smudge tool. The smudge tool does the same basic function as the blur tool, however it's meant more for backgrounds. If I wanted to remove this background or make people notice it less and notice the turtle more, I can use the smudge tool. Right click the blur tool and left click the smudge tool. Again, like any brush, you can change the size. 78 is good. Actually, I'll make it bigger, 100. And all you have to do is just hold the left mouse button and begin blurring. Looks more like a smudge than a blur. And I'll only do one half so you can see how the two different sides look. To keep going over and over again, you can barely see that there are any fishes there. Notice how this right side looks different than this left side. Another similar tool is the dodge tool. The dodge tool does a similar function, but it lightens the area to make it less noticeable. Again, just like a brush, you can change the size, hold down the left mouse button, and begin moving it left and right. Sometimes it takes a few sweeps in order to really notice the difference. But notice how this right side with the fishes is more noticeable than this left side. These look like they're farther on in the background. You've now reached the end of the tool demonstration. Thank you for watching this, and I hope that you can now use the basic tools of Adobe Photoshop with some ease.